I'm just joking, boys. I was not crying, but yes, I did crash the 350Z. Look at that. Removed most of the parts from here now, but the knuckle snapped, drive shaft is gone, the camber arm is completely gone. I'll show you the rest of the pieces in a second. Yeah, I mean, I was having way too much fun, I reckon. Got a bit comfortable, but it's not that bad. It could have been a lot worse. It could have been a lot worse. There's videos everywhere of what happened. We need to replace the knuckle, which I've got a spare one. We need a new drive shaft and a new camber arm. That's it. That's all that went wrong. Oh, and my front splitter, which I'll show you in a bit. Obviously, we had to take the front splitter off to get the car in the trailer. Not the front splitter, I mean the front bumper. The front splitter is inside another car, but I don't have the key yet. Peter is coming with the key. So that's fine, but all the body work, everything is okay. Nothing really happened. The only thing is that up here, it's got a bit of damage there, but that's fine. And my exhaust, we got a little dink here, but nothing like, you won't even notice. It's actually quite hidden. And obviously thanks a lot to everyone that helped push this out of the way, and the guy that sorted me out the recovery. The recovery guy was brilliant. It was loads of fun. We had a massive chat all the way back, and while we were there and while we were here, it was well alright. Stuart, I think was his name. Shout out Stuart. While we were there waiting for the recovery, it took a while for the recovery to come. I took the wheel off and took some shit apart because obviously everything was hanging on by my brake line, like the hydro brake line. So I didn't want to rupture the line. The line seems fine. It's got a little dink there. You can see the braided line inside, but it's fine. It's not damaged or anything. So I'll just take that off because everything was holding on by that. You can see the grease from the CV joint all over. It's everywhere. It's literally everywhere. Thankfully the coilover is fine. That was the bit I would be worried about the most because obviously they're expensive. The wheel is completely gone. I'll show you in a second. The wheel is a write-off. I mean, it's completely destroyed. Even the tire.
Still holding an air.
Yeah, still holding air.
That shows you how good the wheels are.
Yeah.
Really damn good.
Yeah, true.
And this.
Yeah, the inside.
And here is cut.
I mean, the wheel is completely gone off. It's full of grease from the CV joint. The knuckles, I got a spare one right there. We're gonna put it on now. Obviously, I don't have a spare camber arm or Driftworks camber arm, but I have the original ones. I got quite a few of them, so we're gonna put that back on just so we can roll the car and move it out of here, because this place is the only place where the trailer could drop it, because it was a massive trailer. I need to order 3 things. I need a new axle, 370Z axle. If anyone's got one, give me a shout. I need 370Z axle. I need the Driftworks camber arm. I already emailed them asking if I can buy only one instead of buying 2. Although I probably should buy 2, so I have a spare one. Yeah, I'll probably buy the 2. What else do I need? The knuckle I have. Obviously the brakes, I got everything here. And the front splitter, I need a new front splitter.
It's a toughless car now.
Toughless car, yeah. Put it on the floor there. There you go. That's my poor front splitter. I'm actually more bothered about the front splitter than anything else, to be honest. But yeah, obviously it took a bit of a hit. You can see even there where it's not broken, like broken up. You can see it's still got the arm attached that snapped. The thing snapped itself here and there. Yeah, it's a mess. Got my hydraulic caliper here. And I got a souvenir. If I didn't want things like this to happen, I wouldn't push as hard as I push every time. So grab some of the spare parts from the garden, because if you don't know, our garden is like a scrap yard. We've got a hub with the whole thing on still actually, and we got the camber arm. Obviously the stock one is not bent, that's how it's supposed to be. Camber arm is out, or
That's bent.
what's left.
That's really bad.
Oh yeah, I mean it snapped. That's the axle. It's completely gone, obviously. Completely gone. It snapped the end of it.
This is bent as well.
Oh, the spacer is here. Can you hammer this out? There you go. FDF axle spacers.
Look at this.
Oh.
Here. You can see mark on here as well.
Oh damn, what did that happen? Oh, it's from the crash, isn't it?
Yeah, from the impact.
Look at that. I don't know if you can see on camera.
It went a little bit outside here.
Jesus Christ.
Went through it.
Damn, that was quite an impact, isn't it?
Yeah.
I didn't think the impact was that big.
No.
The disc is there with the handbrake stuff. We had to take all that off to get the disc out, to get the hub out, because obviously the handbrake cable was stuck in it, so we had to take the whole thing apart. What's left of the knuckle is off. Obviously we need to take them bushings out, not now but at some point, or that bushing. The other ones should be on there, yeah, they're all on there, because they're solid bushings on the knuckles and they are really expensive, but we can get that out. It's a bit of hard work to get it out, not gonna lie, but for now we're gonna leave it. We're just gonna put the old one with the old bushings, or the original bushings on. We're just putting the other arm. Obviously we're gonna have to change all this another time. It's got the hydro bracket in there. Obviously this is the rest of the drive shaft. We need to keep these wheel bearings, because the 370Z wheel bearings, and obviously I got the extended studs. And obviously all the bushings will have to come out. And the shield, I want to keep the little shields, because it's just a bracket that holds the shield instead of all that stuff. But obviously we're gonna do that another time. Once I've got all the parts, I'm gonna order the parts tonight. Gonna order the axle, the both arms, because one of them is bent, so I'm gonna have to order that one as well. Camber arm and toe arm. It's still not that bad for what happened. Everything is back together. Thank you, Peter.
Well,
as usual. Well, enough. It's back together enough.
Enough to put wheel on.
We're gonna put the wheel on actually. Let me get the wheel. Put one of these ones. Okay. There she is. There she is, and she's going down.
Dropping down sideways.
She loves going sideways. There she is, look at that.
It's back on the wheels.
Back on all fours. Alright, this is it. Told you more or less what happened. I wish I could tell you all the story and show you the clips and all that, because to be fair, I love it. I think it was quite sick anyway, even though we crashed. It was sick, but I don't want to get in trouble, even more trouble. So thanks a lot for watching. Peace out.
See you later, guys. Snap here. Look, damn.
Mate,
That's a crown of fallen king.